Originally, this piece was commissioned by Sean for his senior recital. He came to me with the idea of building an ensemble and a piece around the people that you now see in it. And so we wanted to build a piece that kind of reflected our 4 years together and all the collaborations that we have done together. We are a really good group of friends, and this is an ensemble that we've really worked hard to build with one another and to build that trust and friendship. So the piece kind of reflects that. You know, we pass different musical ideas off to one another.
I think that for me, this piece is really, it's a showcase of me. I think that
that's how I wrote it, always. You know?
Yeah.
Even though it's a percussion piece.
Chris, do you mind? I
sorry.
think that
because of Chris's composition, I could hear the influence from West African music and from hip hop and all of that. I could feel it. And then what's natural to me as a Juilliard student is the contemporary work and the classical kind of movement. So marrying those came very naturally.
Yeah, and the funny is we didn't even really talk about that element of things, but it was just that's the exact same mentality I had musically, and she's doing it with dance as well. So.